Morro Rock. What you are looking at is Morro Rock, a fascinating geologic monolith which rises 581 feet or 177 meters above the Pacific Ocean, which heads into Morro Bay. This structure has long fascinated locals, being visited by humans for more than 10,000 years, and is sometimes referred to as the Gibraltar of the Pacific. But how did this beautiful feature form? What is it composed of? And what relation does it have to similar nearby California rock formations? This video will answer all of these questions through the perspective and analysis of a geologist. As we zoom in on Morro Rock, which is located 104 miles west of the city of Bakersfield, you might note that this impressive monolith has the same colored rock throughout. In other words, it is entirely composed of a singular rock type, with that being dacite. This is the exact same rock type that the vast majority of Mount St. Helens is composed of, including its two post-1980 lava domes. Dacite is a type of high silica but low alkali element content lava which, while dacite rock can be associated with stratovolcanoes, it more often is associated with the formation of lava domes. And, indeed, the dacite of Morro Rock was associated with what was likely once a growing lava dome volcano. However, the dacite you see here is technically a hypobasal rock, also known as a subvolcanic rock, meaning it is technically an intrusive igneous rock that cooled at shallow depths of less than 2 kilometers or 1.2 miles. In the case of Morro Rock formation, the dacite lava present represents the less eroded remnants of the rising magma which once filled much of its magma conduit, rather than the actual peak of the original volcano. It just so happens that the softer surrounding ground and rock along with the original lava flow which was more susceptible to erosion eroded away millions of years ago, causing the harder intrusive igneous rock which was more resistant to erosion to become exposed on the surface, hence its modern appearance. In other words, Morro Rock represents what is known as a volcanic plug. Hypothetically speaking, if I was to cut away the top 3,000 feet of this lava dome emplaced in 1350 near Mono Lake and let some erosion occur, it might eventually create a similar looking feature. Looking around, you might note that there are other nearly identical features nearby. 2 miles to the east-southeast, you have Black Hill that is also made of dacite, the Nine Sisters representing yet another volcanic plug of a similar age. Yet, this chain of similar-looking features continues onwards, encompassing at least 13 total volcanic plugs, with some sources claiming the actual figure as 23 that extend along the lineament for 17 miles. Altogether, these volcanic plugs are known as the Nine Sisters, even though there are more